Oh, hey! I just came back from the gym and I noticed that two of my parcels got delivered and I have really exciting new furniture for my balcony. On the one hand, I have a red table for the balcony and a shelving unit for my balcony in purple, lilac, lavender color. And yeah, I'm gonna set them up and put them on my balcony and I will show you the process. I love the color. Isn't that fantastic? And I didn't have to set up anything. It was basically already in the final form when I got it out of the box. So great. Really excited about this. Now onto the shelf. And here we are. I set up the shelf, I placed it against the wall on my balcony, and doesn't this look great? The lilac, the purple of the shelf against this brown, black backdrop. Yeah, I think the shelf really pops against the wood in the back. So big fan of the color, not so sure what I think about the general quality of this shelf. It's a little bit flimsy overall, so I had to secure it a little bit in the corners so it doesn't move too much. But I hope as well that once I place a little bit heavier plants at the bottom of the shelf, it should be fine. The bigger issue is probably my measuring mistake that I made at the beginning when I ordered the shelf. Look at this. Ooh. Yeah, so when I measured the space from this side of the balcony up to the door to my shed, I forgot that I forgot to measure from here rather than from here. So now I have this temporary solution, but yeah, this is of course not sustainable. I will find a way to like a more permanent solution. But generally happy to store more plants on this side of the balcony and to generally have a little bit more storage on my balcony as well. But now let's move to the table. Isn't that a fantastic color? Oh, really big fan of the red. I already have quite a lot of red in my flat, and now I have this bright pop of fire red on my balcony as well. I was a little bit worried at the beginning when I ordered it that the red of the table and the red of the floor doesn't really go together, but I think it does. And now when I look outside onto my balcony, yeah, I'm gonna see this beautiful table. It has the right size, and I think it also goes well together with the wooden and bluish green chairs that I got from my aunt. Now I placed some plants on the shelf to give you an idea what the shelf can look like once it's full of plants. I have 3 so far. At the very bottom, the clematis that I started training along the shelf. Then this beautiful heuchera, which also has like a purple center, so it fits perfectly with the lilac shelf. And then finally a dark purple heuchera. The great thing about having a shelf on your balcony is that you can have much more vertical interest. What was a very bleak brown and black backdrop on my balcony is now much more colorful, and it's gonna be filled with plants in the future. So yeah, I can definitely recommend having a shelf on your balcony as well. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.